Hello guys, welcome to Marine Tips. In today's video, we'll be looking at a crypto market and see how much we can make today. Today is Sunday, the 16th of July 2023, and we are going to short 1 inch coin to a USDT, and then we are using the 5x leverage and in the isolated market, and we'll try and see how much we'll be able to gain using a $10 margin. Okay, let's get started. Can follow my strategy, but it's not an investment advice, so always do your own research and seek expert opinion before you take any trade. This crypto market is highly volatile and the risk is very high, so do your analysis and research before you go into it. Okay guys, let's move on. We'll start use a $6 unit, and then with a 5x leverage, and see how much we can get before tomorrow, Monday the 17th of July 2023 business day ends. And I believe that by tomorrow there will be some news in the crypto market where will force some of the big crypto to drop by at least 3 to 5%. So I believe some crypto are going to go down, and this 1 inch that is trading that is doing very well now at 24% will drop by tomorrow evening. Okay guys, let's take a trade. I'm going to buy with the current market and see how much we'll make before the business day close tomorrow, Monday. Okay, I think we are. Let's see when this trade will kick off. Okay, for the sake of this video, let's just take the current price. Okay, we are in, and then let's set our stop loss. Our stop loss should be at 0.41. Zero point 0.429. Or 0.35 then. You have set our stop loss. Our target should be our target should be 0.415. So that is where you take our profit.
shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. Wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget.
So we take our profit at
Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never gonna fall for
0.15.
always ready.
I'll make a profit of
Look me in the eye
80
and you'll see no hezzy. About to get
80
real messy. Put
cents
you in a grid 6 feet like Kenny.
by end of business tomorrow. Let's see how it plays out. Then in our next video we'll step up our portfolio and then see how much we can earn. Okay guys, thank you for staying tuned.